The most expensive sentence in foundation repair. Welcome to the Independent Foundation Consultant Library. I'm Richard Rash. After more than 40 years in the foundation business, I'm going to tell you a sentence that has probably cost homeowners millions of dollars. Don't worry. It's covered under the warranty. That sounds reassuring until the day you actually need the warranty. Many homeowners discover too late that the warranty doesn't cover what they thought it did. Some warranties only cover the piers themselves. Others only cover vertical settlement of the piers. Damage caused by drainage problems, plumbing leaks, soil expansion, or normal seasonal movement may not be covered at all. Many contracts also require arbitration instead of a lawsuit. Once you sign, those are the rules you'll likely have to follow. That's why I always recommend reading both the contract and the warranty before the work begins. And, if possible, having them reviewed by someone who doesn't make a commission from selling foundation repairs. A few minutes of careful reading today could save you thousands of dollars and years of frustration. I'm Richard Rash, Independent Foundation Consultant. Remember, the most expensive sentence in foundation repair isn't "You need piers." It's covered under the warranty. Read the warranty, understand it before you sign.